Hello and welcome to HWM in Walton-on-Thames. Today I'm going to be showing you around this beautiful Firecracker yellow Caterham 170S. This one has covered 466 miles, but let's have a closer look. Okay, so starting at the front of the car, this one does have the painted 7 grille in black. It does also have the carbon double stripes, which also have a gloss black pinstriping on. You'll also notice, looking at the windscreen, it does have the black pack. What this includes is your headlight bowls, your windscreen, your carbon stone guards on the side, and it does also have the aero filler cap in black. So down the side of the car, we can see that the decal does continue down, so the carbon with the black pinstriping. It does also have, being the S, all the full weather gear, so you've got your doors, you do have the roof stored in the back here as well. On the 170, it is the 3-cylinder turbocharged Suzuki engine, so the exhaust is on the passenger side rather than the driver's side like the Sigma and Duratec cars. And the other thing you'll notice is it does have the track day roll bar. So round to the back of the car, the double carbon stripes does continue down the back. As I mentioned earlier as well, it does have the black fuel filler cap, and this one does have the boot cover in black vinyl. The LED rear lights are standard. They are a lot brighter at night, and it does make the back of the car look a bit more modern, as well as the LED number plate light. Right, so looking at the inside of this 170, one of the first things that you'll notice is it does have the carbon fibre dashboard. That's an option on the S, it's standard on the RPAC cars. It's got the nice leather seats, but being a Series 3, all the 170s are Series 3, but it does have the quick release removable steering wheel, which makes getting in and out a lot easier. Does also have a map pocket just here. It does have a little pocket down there as well. Other features on this, you've also got the carbon door seals. It does also have side screen armrests, which are an option on a Series 3. And it does have a, hidden underneath the dash, it does have a 12-volt socket. The 170 does look really good in Firecracker yellow, especially with the carbon decals on it as well. One thing that's also worth mentioning is it does have the lowered floors. But if you want any further information on this car or any of our other cars in stock, do please give us a call on 01932 240 611. Thanks for watching.